guys, what's going on? Whitney back again today, and we are going to get an update about the Super Affiliate Academy Elites. I've had several videos on this in the past, and we're still going strong, so I just wanted to stop in and give an update on that program. So Super Affiliate Academy Elite is part of Super Affiliate Academy, which both can be found on School, as you can see here. Um, So you learn how to make money online with affiliate marketing. And with the elite group, you take your affiliate journey to the next level. So these are the two groups. I'll have links for both of them um, down in the description below. But if you click on Super Affiliate Academy, you will get the About page. And it just tells you what the group's about. You can unlock your path to online success with the community. You get to join two Comma Club winners, multiple seven-figure earners, Max and James. And the elite community is where the action takers transform into money makers. Everybody's seen amazing results. And here's what you get. You get a built-in affiliate programs, guaranteed approval to be an affiliate for their programs. They literally send you buyer traffic through their rotators. You get monthly recurring commissions. You get access to James and Max personally. You get next level support. You get giveaway rights to top programs. There's the highest commissions in the industry. They have custom software making businesses explode. They also give you access to a ClickFunnels replacement, Midjourney replacement, Dropbox replacement, a School itself replacement. They have a custom AI, and they have an auto DM software that can be used in the School community. All of these honestly are worth the price of admission. You also get a mastermind live sessions with next level strategies. And the biggest part is you get to network with fellow like-minded individuals. We're all in here in the same group to learn how to succeed in online business, how to make money, and really how to take our journeys to the next level. The best part about this is you can start with a free trial. You join today, you can get a 7-day free trial. And really, what's better than that? You get to try it out for 7 days. If you don't like it, you don't like it. But if you do, then you just continue in the group. And I think that once you're in there, you're definitely going to find a lot of value. You're going to find a great community to be with. We're all supportive of each other. And so really, you have nothing to lose at this point, except maybe not getting to your next level. So why wouldn't you want to join? So we'll just take you through the group here. You have the community section. It's like every school group. It's where we post, ask questions, talk about the wins we've had. I think the biggest event that we've just had is we were able to have a meeting with Dean Graziosi, which was an awesome experience. I mean, when do you get to be in the same space as him? And so we had that call, which was really cool. And then we had a follow-up call later to kind of discuss everything about the call and kind of what the next steps would be. They talk about, basically the wins. And then you get access to the replays. You don't get that in the free group. And then basically everybody just talking about their wins and what's going on and just how to really get to the next level. And then you have the classroom. So you have like the intro. It talks about the affiliate program for the elite. You have GPT Store Exposed, which is an awesome program. I really took this one and ran with it. I probably have over 50 GPTs. I know a lot of people have other ones, way more than that, but that's where I'm at. Anonymous AI influencer, recurrent AI, which is a really another good program. AI AI agents exposed. Instant cash dash, which is basically learning how to make money from all sorts of places. Really, I've actually implemented a couple of those myself. You get quantum AI. You get the DFY social. One of their big programs, the AI leaderboard Kingpin. That's a big one. TikTok Revolution, Exile Profits. And then they kind of go into how to make high ticket commissions using AI. Here are the monthly mastermind sessions. You get the giveaway rights to all of their award winning products, and you get guaranteed approval to promote any product plus 75% commissions. Um, and then you get their flagship program, which is well worth over $300. It's the AIpreneurs Academy. This is an awesome program, a lot of information in it. And you get this for being part of the group, part of the community. Notion Millions, the No Pitch live recordings. So I know we've had the meeting with Dean Graciosi, and then we also did have a meeting with someone from ClickBanks, which was really cool. These are found here. This tells you how to become an affiliate and get the party started. Walk-in profits, slide cash loophole. It just goes on and on and on. It's really, really great community. And like I said, you really have nothing to lose at this point. Why not try it out for 7 days? See how it goes. If you like it, stay with us. Like I've said, you get the calendar, same as school groups, leaderboards. So this is the leaderboard right as of right now. So everybody's very active in this group as well. We're all here to be a part of each other's lives and help each other out as much as we can. So really, I'm hoping I gave you a reason to at least try it out. If you have any other questions, just let me know. The link for the group will be down in the description below. And I hope to see you in the group. I will talk to you later. Bye.